The Second Amendment to the United States Constitution states that a well-regulated militia being necessary to the security of a free state, the right of the people to keep and bear arms shall not be infringed. From this amendment, American citizens have been granted the inalienable right to own and use firearms. In an effort to protect themselves from criminals and potential harm, many Arizona residents choose to concealed carry a firearm. While this is perfectly legal, Arizona gun owners need to know the following information: Arizona concealed carry statutes, who can concealed carry, where you can concealed carry. According to Arizona law, Arizona is a shall-issue state when it comes to obtaining a concealed carry permit. A person may concealed carry so long as the person applying for the permit is a U.S. citizen who is over the age of 21 and is legally allowed to own a firearm. Once the Department of Public Safety has received a receipt of the person's certified firearms course completion, they are required to issue a permit. This process can take up to 75 days, but once the permit has been issued, it is valid for 5 years and can then be renewed every 5 years after that. Arizona is a constitutional carry state, meaning that any individual 21 years of age or older who is legally allowed to be in possession of a firearm is allowed to concealed carry, and they do not need to attend any classes, nor do they need to obtain a concealed carry permit. Even though constitutional carry allows for permitless carry, it does not allow for an individual to carry a firearm with them wherever they want to go. Instead, certain federal and state laws dictate where guns can and cannot be carried. When it comes to concealed carry, there are several common places where firearms are not allowed, but it is best to check ahead of time if the place that you are going allows firearms or not, to ensure that you do not get into any legal trouble. Firearms are generally prohibited from being carried in the following locations: federal buildings, including the post office, federal courts, airports, K-12 school grounds, military bases, polling places on Election Day. Just because a place is not listed above or doesn't list that firearms are not allowed on their website does not mean that you can carry there. In addition to the list above, according to Arizona law, any business may post a sign that clearly states firearms are not allowed on the premises, and these signs must be obeyed. As an Arizona resident, you have the right to concealed carry, as well as you have certain granted rights that allow you to protect yourself in times of danger. If you exercise your Second Amendment right to protect yourself and are facing charges, an experienced criminal defense attorney can help you with your case. Call the Jackson White Criminal Law Team at 480-745-1639 to discuss your case today.